Alright, here we go. We're copying angles. Doesn't matter if you copy angles or sides, you always have to draw a line segment first. So we're going to draw a line segment here. And in order to do this, the first thing you always do is draw an arc where your angle is and an arc where your angle is going. The reason that we do that is we need to measure the opening the same distance out on both. So this is the distance here. And then I come over here and I make a little mark there. So these two distances are the same in terms of how wide they are open. And that's it. We just go ahead and connect them from there and call it a day. Obtuse, you do exactly the same thing. So first things first, we always draw a nice little ray for our vertex. And same-o schmemo. You open up your compass, you make a big old arc where you have your angle. And you make the exact same arc where you want your angle. The reason we do that is we need to measure how wide the angle is open, and depending on how far out you measure it, it's going to be different. So we're going to go over here, measure where that is, and the spot where those two little archy-poos cross is your actual angle. So now these two angles here are also exactly the same. Let's look at 12, where we're using those tools to actually construct the triangles. So we are copying angles, so the first thing you do is you just draw a line segment, and we do the same thing. Copy angle means you make the arc of the angle that you have, and make the same arc of the angle that you want. You use your compass to measure how wide it is that it's open. And then you come over here and you say, that is how wide it is that I want it to be open. So we go and make a little line, or ray rather. So there's your crossing. Now we are going to do the same thing with our other angle. I need to copy this one too. So first things first, you make an arc where you have your angle. You make an arc where you want your angle. You open your compass to that distance. It just happened to be that I went that far. And then I go over here and I mark that same exact length right there. Where the two arcs cross is where my angle goes. And then I just need to make sure my original angle is long enough to actually cross it. So we have our angle.